welcome back to the channel. You guys, today I'm giving you guys a house tour of my apartment. There's gonna be B-roll footage. I'm gonna show you guys the decor. I've been here now for about 3 months now, so the apartment is kind of furnished-ish. But yeah, whatever, we get down to the details soon. Let's get into the video.
Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So the first place I want to bring you guys to is my dining room. You see we have a clock on the wall. I think we got this clock from Roses, if I'm not mistaken. We got this table here. We got it from a local furniture shop. It's like a farm style table. It only costs about 400 bucks, which is not bad. Alright you guys, so moving on to the kitchen part of the house. I would honestly say this is probably my favorite part of the whole house, besides the living room of course, which I designed it. The way the kitchen is also over the living room, you know, that kind of open feel, but not really open, I guess you would say. It's just a whole freaking mood. I freaking love my kitchen. I spend most of my time in here. I legit spend most of my time in the kitchen because I'm always cooking something. You guys will see that soon with Cooking with Jay. And yeah, it might not be the biggest kitchen, but it's just the right size for me, I would say. And my roommate, I do have one roommate, you guys. But yeah, it's like the perfect size for us, and we just freaking love it. So no complaints here. The spice rack came from Walmart, of course. The jars came from Target, which we put the flour and the sugar in. The oil pours, I think you would call it, that came from Walmart as well. A lot of the stuff in here came from Walmart because I'm a big Walmart Target fiend, I would say. But I love the fact that it's right off the dining room area and that it's really looking like out over the living room area. So yeah, on to the living room. Okay you guys, so I definitely lied. The living room is probably my favorite part of the entire apartment, you guys, because I did it myself. The couch here also came from the same place that we bought the table from, which is a local furniture store. I think it was around 700 bucks for the couch, but it's like a L-shaped sectional, so I'm obsessed with it, y'all. The decor on the wall in the back, the floating shelves came from Five Below, y'all. Five Below, who would have known? And they came like 2 in a box. So I have like extra floating shelves I can just put anywhere, because I only use 3. The plants that you see on top right there also came from Five Below. They're fake plants, of course. And this little lamp thing right here came from Five Below as well. I definitely love this, and it does light up, y'all. So at nighttime, this is a whole vibe in here, like, you know what I mean? The tree, you guys, came from At Home. We got it from At Home, actually. It was only like 100 bucks. The mirror came from At Home as well. That mirror was about 120, I believe. 120 for the mirror. And the TV, you guys, came from Walmart, and we got it on sale for $278. It's a 55-inch, I think, and it was $278 at Walmart. We got it on sale that week. So yeah, you guys, I went to an antique shop here in Greensboro, and I found a real marble table, y'all. A real marble table. I was so freaking excited, y'all. It was about 120 bucks for it, but the legs on it were brown. We painted them black because we just felt like black was just a whole vibe when it came to the table, and we didn't want to keep it the same. So yeah, we basically made it our own. Alright you guys, so this here's the patio. The patio is like way deep. It really goes out a long freaking way, as you guys can see. And yeah, it's definitely one of my obsessions here because all the other apartment complexes I looked at online, it just did not have a patio like this, where it had like this much space. So I can't wait to furnish the patio, because as you guys can see, it is not furnished at all. Like no furniture out here at all. But yeah, hopefully it won't be that way for too long. But yeah. Alright you guys, so here we are in the bathroom, you guys. My countertop was not originally marble. This is actually a stick-on paper that I bought from Walmart, and I stuck it onto my countertop because I started watching videos of how to make rental properties more like your own home. Because the countertops were granite, and I did not like that granite color on it. I really was looking for like a marble color to really like match my vibe. So I started watching a couple videos on how to make a rental property your own, and it said sticky paper. I think that's what it's called, like sticky wallpaper-ish. I think that's, I don't know how to explain it, y'all. I really don't know how to explain it. But yeah, now my countertop's marble, and I'm more than happy. I'm so excited because it just brings the bathroom together and my vibe together as well. If you guys cannot tell, I'm really going for like a modern theme here with my house. house. So yeah, onto the bedroom. Okay, so as you guys can see, the bedroom is not at all really decorated. I kind of was focusing all my time in the places people are going to actually see when they walk inside. So my bedroom is not like the most decorated right now. I don't have a lot of furniture in here. I really just have my bed, my computer, desk, and chair. And you just know that's how I work now. And yeah, my closet is an absolute mess because nothing's been put up yet because I'm too lazy to do it. So yeah, just pretty much it. I got the carpet to stay here from Walmart. Somebody else probably has it as well. I got my gamer chair off of Amazon. Even though I don't play games, this is very comfortable to sit in. And I got my iMac from Amazon as well. I think it was around $200. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys really enjoyed the house tour. Be sure to keep me tuned for more videos like this. I'm probably gonna be doing some more decorating in my room soon. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna update you guys on this video. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe my channel. Put my channel out there. Let them know what your boys doing. I'll see you guys next time. Do not forget to hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss out on any more videos. Woo, chile. Peace and positive vibes.